Mama wati asiye se Ghana hasi. Uye wenim se uye neutral person. Na MPP ya de na wo bom echi. Se de MPP 4 ye na enya. MPP 4 ebeba beka se NDC 4 wo mu etua. Wo kro ya MPP 4 kan se NDC 4 etua. NDC 4 nso koye bibi. Na wo sanso be baahye NDC a. NDC 4 yi ebe sanso ababonten aba be fire say what sanso akojiska e wo MPP won ti say sa two sides yi wo kasa fo wo bia ho a na enya wo be ba abonten abeka say opposition e na etia na me ameti he ye de aye mesa mabre. If you've been following me on this channel for a very long time, unim say melodies there MPP 4 eye ni say waka na etwi NDC 4 NDC 4 so eba be kase tia no. Now abrantia ba ko a friend Kwame A+ ye ni say in recent times ade a wo bo MPP 4 echi ye pa ene hunti na ya nkrofo bi eka say A+ Mahama etua neka na nsen ya John Dramani Mahama wo outdoor eye Jane Mensa mema wo ti ase say because of Ghana sisi asenia asetina no aye ninti Mahama hu ne say wo be isu sa platform no na ne campaign message a wo ema Ghana fo no wama nti no wo kansen bi a wo ba wo be ye na nsem ni bia Mahama aka no na Kwame A+ ababon se betre se hey Mahama yesrew ye ni na ye nim se ade we ya wokin kan keke na woka opese Ghana for eto abama okeke na Mahama kan sa me se Mahama Kwame A+ kan sa asem ne tre Mahama wie ye no na nkrofo bonichi a enye easy ede na Mahama kan ede na A+ kan yenko tie. So you are seeing right in front of you the image John Dramani Mahama John Mahama 2020 asema wakan and say we will as part of an integrity for development action plan launch Operation Sting, an anti-corruption crusade which under my watch will involve massive far-reaching and practical governmental reforms. It will be ruthless against all corrupt political appointees and public sector workers. Asema John Dramani Mahama can say yes to abama no oba afei de corruption katahye ne proye obe make sure say no face the work can bro for akese a work ani na no. I say massive anti-corruption crusade. Obe make sure say corruption there wo na aban mu na wo ye bi kran na waso ebeye hye na yenhwe de A+ troye asema A+ troye ne say hello boss stop I say just tell Ghanaians to vote for you. Don't make any promises. Just say Ghana. Just say Ghana must have a president. So vote for me to become president. Those who like you will vote for you. Were you not in this country when someone promised to fight corruption, but is now fighting everyone who is fighting corruption? Were you not in this country when someone promised to use a Nazi strategy to fight corruption and used investigation by Manasseh as evidence that you were corrupt, but is now fighting the same Manasseh? Me, I will never support you or MPP. I will never believe any of you. I will never vote for any of you. You are the same. If you become president, you do worse. It is a fact. Ghanaians don't believe in NDC and MPP promises anymore. You are making too many promises. Forget it. Na asema Kwame A+ e catch Mahama ne say hey won say the oka boss stop no say hey masa jai masa jai na Mahama wo krom ha say na Ekufuado e kan e na ne kre ansa na president Ekufuado wo be da ne president wo ka se wo ba wo be hye nkrofun kran na anna se ne anna se investigation no ya ye wa man nkrofo bebre aye se ne annas yusu ne strategy the investigation no near they are finding corrupt people in this country e ye bohye a president Ekufuado wo share ye nti Kwame A+ can say ye wo man we mu e na president e kan sa ende wa ba betena so as president no hwe se ne wo mo de annas nim eye fom MPP for sorry I say annas what you bribe you annas the oye no your friends they have a word they use I say annas the oye no ye something say he pays his way out to say the enticement to say the now so na mu ni say enticement and from opposition no into worker was one no A+ there someone Mahama ken e yentro wo ba ende a corruption na ebekoso no enye easy oba ende corruption na ebekoso enye easy na mama kai ma bi in 2016 I have told you on this channel say I voted against Mahama na that time no na madam for bi pa we NDC ni it is that time no mo follow me on social media na no mo nim say media maka say meto etia eye Mahama sa madam for yi na ne papa na down for pa ene Mahama inti madam for yi reach out to me me no na tre say we madam for pa so reach out to me na what tre me say sa decision na mafa no say meto etia Mahama no aden asema madam for ni bi sa me no na me ka tell madam for no say because Mahama bae corruption bebre akoso na aban no wo mo wi aga na fo sika. That was the reason why I voted against Mahama. Today I'm saying this here. Now, asemo asa madam for no ne papa Adam for ene Mahama na asemo wa ka tell me ni wo say hey say ye no ti na wo tietia Mahama dia ene mentu ntia Mahama sa asem na madam for the ka tell me no wo say ye no ti na wo tu etia Mahama ene mentu ntia Mahama na nipa na wo to ama no Akufo Addo no ono nso ba na aban nkrofo corruption bekoso na madam for ne ka asem na asem ameka tell ne say masa say wo de Mahama wo ben wo papa inti no wo nije ya ye tie echi na ye we no ye de ye mfilio inti say ameka tell say mama nto ma na e bia no you have an end me ka tell no me ka tell say madam for no and na madam for ne ka say well he felt offended say aden ne wo say me kasa sa na that time no na me obi a me bufu a me ka anyhow etra when say nda nkrofo be kasa kan na mayeku no won say nipa de wunyi a in that time no me ka ma adwen tre na madam for ni bufu ye and o ka say well ono de obeka no na waka na say ya na me reach out to madam for na me ka tell say hey asema o ka tell me ye me crew asema o ka tell me say corruption inti na me tuotia Mahama and the mama ntuntia no because me to aban fofo no mo ba wo mo so corruption be koso no me ka tell madam for no say hey aban fofo so ba corruption enye easy anasia na wo mo atrese sisia to the extent say Mahama time mpo de ye expose corruption for and no mo ya corrupt na no one attacks the exposer inti wo hwa Mahama time a wo bi ani wa attack Anas wo bi ani wa attack Manase obi ani wa attack eye auditor general but ende corruption e koso wo nim na obe expose ya wo expose corruption no wo ene ebeba aba attack so that means today it is worse it has someone me catch some madam for no no ka say well so no dey catch me na me say maso den e no bi say me say inti afi meto ama hwan na me ka den say meto ama eki adonko wa stressa you see it as someone Kwame A+ so kano it goes in line with this story of mine. Kwame A+ can Mahama we be gina ho na corruption oba and there ebia no kra be worse than a year the team sisiano. That is what Kwame A+ is saying. Now Kwame A+ can say we no tie for ese weni be he NDC 4 send ya ye kasa etwi Kwame A+ na hwe asema we be try we Richard Prempeh so who name Richard Prempeh a eye Biscout na Prempeh wono an e friend Richard Prempeh na asema an Biscout e be try e wo Kwame A+ post na say what say I said it and it has come to pass. I said the day my brother A+ will step on them with the truth as he always do to the ruling government, they will start to insult him. Opposition parties will only support you when your words go in their favor. NDC sympathizers are bleeding now. As someone is going to try and say, what can you pass it? And then Kwame A+ exposing MPP for NDC for energy A+ 10 eba NDC for so a ehọ na obehu atendidia NDC for bedi no na nekre ono anka se hu se asem we ya A+ akin NDC for se nia wo mu di na tem no ono Biscuit na Prempeh asem a wakan no abem as nekre. This is the whole issue. Etiefo Montreal mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo. What do you think? Yes, Mahama the promises no obema because ye twa asana ato ho ama wono nso ehu. Ghana ha say wo pese o dane president no wo pese o dane president a e wo say wo ma promises a wo ba na wa ye kakra na wa ka say o promises a me ma ye me hia 8 years na me de aye nti mo ma me 4 more years na to say me fa ntu a promises ne so nti Mahama nso ahya ase Mahama to me ma promises a me say hey yesre wo nsem a wo ken ene say won da na president am ye hu wo da na president now so we also what you did ati ase nti na asem we da ho no no etie for mo de mo ntre mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo me da ase